This is lesson 44 with Colton, and it is April 8, 2015. And we're going to be working in Book 1, Lesson 1, Page 2, which is dealing with the color circle and playing scales off of it. So, let's go over a few things before we get started. So, how many black notes does the scale of red have?
0,
Red, orange.
1,
Orange.
2,
Yellow, orange.
3,
Yellow.
4,
Yellow, green.
5,
Green.
5,
Blue, green.
5.
Okay, so that's going counterclockwise. Clockwise. If we go counterclockwise, which is to the left, it's going to be the exact same thing. So if we start at red, red has,
0,
red, violet has,
1,
violet has,
2,
blue, violet,
3,
blue.
4,
All right, so all the greens have 5, correct?
correct.
Let's go over the patterns again. Yellow, green. Thumbs on the white notes, and they are what?
Left, left,
Left, left. And then green is what?
left, right,
And blue, green.
right, right,
Yellow, green.
left, left,
Blue, green.
right, right,
Yellow, green.
left, left,
Blue, green.
right, right,
Green.
left, right.
All right, very good. All right, let's start. Okay, the other thing is, when you're playing the set of 2 black notes, which fingers are on the 2 black set?
2 black, 2 and 3.
Is that always true?
Yeah.
Yes. All right, and what about the 3 black set? What fingers are covering the 3 black set?
2, 3, 4.
Okay, do thumbs ever play on a black note?
No.
No. Okay, so that's most of the basic rules, if not all. Okay, so let's start with red. And remember, your first 5 scales have the exact same fingering. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, and then 1 again. Okay, here we go. Okay, red, orange. Orange. Third finger. Let's do that one more time. Try it again. Try it again. If you mess up, start again. Good. What's after that? What's the name of it? What's the name? And how many black notes?
3.
Okay. Nice. What comes after that?
Yellow.
How many black notes?
4.
Go for it. Nice. Okay, let's stop for a second. Now, with red, orange, what was the first black note that was introduced?
Blue, green.
No, what's the very first black note that you had?
Blue, green.
Nope.
Green.
Green. What are the 5 black notes? Don't play them, name them.
Green, blue, violet, and red violet.
Nope.
Violet.
Violet. Red, violet, and yellow, green, the top and the bottom of the circle are white notes. Everything in between to the left are black notes. Okay? The first one that you had was green, and then blue, green, and blue. They go in order. Okay?
Okay.
Now, if we go counterclockwise around the color circle, you're going to get them in the exact opposite order. So, if we go to the key of red, violet, then the first black note that's going to get introduced is violet. Does that make sense? If we're going the opposite way? Okay. So let's try that. So let's try red, violet. Put your thumb on red, violet. And the only black note is going to be violet with your fourth finger. So let's see what happens. And again, when your thumb crosses over, it has to go to the right of the gap. Okay. Try it. Fourth finger on violet. That's your next note. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then thumb to the right. Thumb to the right. And then finish it out. And end on your thumb. End on your thumb because you started on your thumb. Okay? Let's try it again. Whatever finger you start with, you have to end on. Let's go. Thumb to the right. And thumb again. And back. Third finger. Now, let's try it again. So you have to remember what you did going up and back to go out the same way. Thumb. Isn't it? And back to your, there you go. Only one black note. Yeah. Fourth finger on black note. Which finger is always on that black note of the 3 black set?
Fourth.
Yeah. So even if you don't play all 3 black notes, you're still going to always put your fourth finger on that black note if it's being played. Let's try it again. Got to go to the right. Only one black note. Try again. There's only one black note. Only one black note. So convince yourself this time that you're only playing one black note. Try it again. There you go. You got it. Let's get it correct like 3 more times. That was great. Which finger? There you go. And again. One more time correct. Nice. What would be the next key after red, violet? Going counterclockwise. Looking at your circle. What's it going to be? What's after red, violet? What?
Violet.
Violet. Violet. How many black notes is violet going to have? What are they?
Blue, violet, and blue.
Nope. What's the first black note? What's the first black note going counterclockwise?
Red, violet.
Nope. Red violet's a white note, isn't it? What's the first black note? Name the 5 black notes again. What are they? Look at the circle. You don't have to look at the keyboard. Just name the 5 black notes.
Green, blue, blue, violet.
That's only 4. Name 5 black notes.
Violet.
Say it again.
Green, blue, violet, violet.
Which direction were you going? Clockwise or counterclockwise?
Clockwise.
Okay, so green would be the first black note going clockwise, right?
Right.
What's the first black note going counterclockwise?
Violet.
Okay. So that was the first one. So if we have 2 black notes and we're going counterclockwise, what are the first 2 black notes going to be?
Violet and blue, violet.
There you go. And those are the 2 black notes of the key of violet. So we're going to start with violet. Which finger is going to start?
Second.
Which fingers always play the 3 black notes? So which finger always will start?
4.
There you go. Okay, so we have 2 black notes, and your thumb, when it's in the gap, it's going to be right. Okay?
Okay.
So make your thumb go right, and let's see what happens. You can't skip that far ahead. There you go. To the right. To the right. It has to go to the right. Try again. Try again. Your thumb has to go to the right on the gaps. Let's try again. You almost had it. Thumb to the right. Now white notes. And there you ended up with violet on your 4th finger, correct? Correct?
Yeah.
So you did the right thing. Let's try it again before you go back down. That was great. To the right. It's got to be to the right. Let's do it again. Third finger on the 2 black set. Third finger on the 2 black set. Third finger. There you go. Let's try it again from the beginning. You got it. Now, which finger goes on the 2 black set? Which fingers? Which fingers? On the 2 black notes, what are they? Gotta name them for me. What is it?
Second and third.
So if you play that blue-violet note, it's always going to be your 3rd finger. It can't be a different finger. Okay? Always that rule. Let's try again. So that'll help you remember. From the beginning, you almost had it. You're doing great. Nice! That was awesome. You did it. Let's try that 3 more times correct. That was great. Great. Which finger? Black note. Gotta have that blue violet. Which finger's on blue violet? Always. Which finger's on blue violet?
Third.
There you, so you could set the third finger and go again. Okay, go again. Is that your third finger on blue violet? Let's try it again. Make sure you get that third finger on blue violet. Cool. One more time. That was really good. One more that's correct. Nice. All right, let's try red violet again. How many black notes does red violet have?
One.
Which is it? What's the black note?
Violet.
All right, very good. Thumb. Yeah. Wow, which finger's on violet? Always? Which finger's always on violet? There you go. You got to remember whether you're on the 3 black set or the 2 black set. Let's try it again. You almost had it. Nice. Let's play violet again. How many black notes does violet have?
2.
And what are they?
Violet and blue violet.
All right, very good. Nice. Let's go back to red violet one more time. How many black notes?
1.
What is it?
Violet.
Okay. Ah, which finger ends? Which finger ends? Now, let's try it again. Nice. Let's go back to violet. How many black notes?
2.
What are they?
Violet, blue violet.
All right. Go for it. Nice. What's after violet? What's the next key going to be?
Blue violet.
How many black notes is it going to have?
3.
What are they?
Blue violet, blue and blue green.
No. What's the first black note going counterclockwise?
Violet, blue and blue violet.
Say them in order though. What's it going?
Violet, blue, violet and blue.
There you go. Okay. So, let's start with blue violet. Go down to the next blue violet to your left. Which finger's going to start?
3rd.
Why?
Because it's 2 black sets.
Very good. Great answer. Okay, your thumb is still going to go to the right of each gap between the sets. So you just have to get those 3 black notes. Violet, blue, and blue. There's your third one. Now you're done. So keep going. To the right. No. No, to the right, to the right, to the right. And there's your blue violet, back where you started. Uh-huh. Fourth finger, because it's a 3 black set. Fourth finger. You have to get that fourth finger on violet, right? And then third finger on blue violet, because it's a 2 black set. There you go. Try it again. That was really good. Is blue-green one of the notes?
No.
Okay. Good. You have to get blue. And which finger on blue violet?
Third.
You're doing great. Let's try it again. You almost have all 12 now. Almost. Which one? Nice. Let's do it again. A couple more times. That was great. Which finger? Start again. Start again. What? No, let's go again. Start again. You got to quit playing that blue-green note. Okay. Awesome. That was really nice. Let's do it 2 more times. Just like that. There you go. Are you playing? Wait. What are the 3 black notes you're playing again?
Violet, blue, violet, and blue.
Okay. Let's start again. What are the 3 black notes you're playing?
Violet, blue, violet, and blue.
Okay. Watch that fourth finger on violet. Let's try again. Try again. You're still doing really well. Great. One more. Just like that. One more good one. Try again. Which finger goes on violet? Always? Okay, let's try it again. Here we go. One more good one. Try again. What are the 3 black notes you're playing?
Violet, blue, violet.
Okay, you got it. Okay, let's try red violet again. How many black notes?
1.
What is it?
Violet.
Okay. Try again. How many black notes are you playing?
1.
What is it?
Violet.
Okay. And which finger? Do you have to start and end on your same finger? Let's try it again. And then you should be fine this time. Good. One more time. Let's see. I just want to see if you can get it without any mistakes. Nice. What's after red, violet?
Violet.
How many black notes?
2.
What are they?
Violet, blue, violet.
Okay. Go for it. You got it. Which finger is on blue, violet? Which finger's on blue, violet? Which? Good. You got the notes. Just watch that finger. Let's try that one more time. See if you can get the correct fingers all the way down. Let's start again. How many black notes? How many black notes?
2.
What are they?
Violet, blue, violet.
Okay, you got it. Here we go. Which finger's on blue, violet? Always? Which finger's on violet? Always? Okay, try it again. You're almost there. You almost have it. Go again. No, try again. How many black notes do you have?
2.
What are they?
Violet, blue, violet.
Okay. Wait. Which finger goes on blue, violet? Always? Okay, try it again. So you're getting there. You're almost there. You almost have it. You're doing great. Try it again. How many black notes do you have?
2.
Okay.
Violet.
Okay, good. Which finger's on blue, violet again? Okay, so every time you get to a black note, you need to ask yourself, am I playing the correct finger? That's what you need to think about. Try it again. Because that's the only thing you're really missing. All right, good. What's after violet?
Blue, violet.
What are the 3 black notes?
Violet, blue, violet, blue.
All right, let's see if you can get it right away. Which finger starts?
3rd.
Okay, come on down to the next one. Left. Go left. Okay. Nope. Where's that blue? Where's blue? Did you miss blue? What are the 3 black notes?
Violet, blue, violet, blue.
Okay. Which finger's next? And you got to get back to blue violet. That's your goal, is to go from blue violet to blue violet. So you can't go past it. All right, let's do one more real quick. What's after blue violet?
Blue.
How many black notes?
4.
What are they?
Violet, blue, violet, blue, blue, green.
What's the only one that's missing?
Green.
Okay, so instead of thinking what you have to play, let's think about what you don't have to play. So just whatever you do, don't play green. Okay?
Okay.
So start with blue. Which finger starts? Which finger starts?
3rd.
Why?
Because it's a 3 black.
There you go. Great answer. All right. Very good. Okay, go for it. Which finger's on the 2 black set? Nice. Let's try it one more time. We're going to finish as soon as you get it right one time. You almost had it perfect first time. Which finger's on the 2 black set? Did you get it?
Yes.
Okay, good. I couldn't tell. Keep going. Awesome. So we did that in 30 minutes, Colton.
Yay.
And you have now played all 12 scales between last lesson and this lesson in 1 hour.
Wow.
It's pretty awesome. And these 4 were the hard ones, especially the last 2. And you just did amazing. And there's no doubt that I will bet that you'll get them next time with hardly any mistakes, because you always do that. Every time you sleep on it, you come back and you're even better the next day. So that was awesome. So we'll leave it at that. It's Virtuoso Lesson 44 with Colton, and it is April 8, 2015.